تبارك الله. حدثكم محبكم محب الخير سند السلمي. وما زالت السحابة في تقدمها إلى مكة بإذن الله، يجون الغرب ما شاء الله.
In the heart of the Arabian Peninsula, where golden dunes stretch endlessly and the air is dry for most of the year, the city of Taif has been struck by an unusual disaster. Heavy rainfall, rare in this part of Saudi Arabia, has flooded streets, damaged infrastructure, and disrupted daily life.
تبارك الله. طريق الخواجات جنوب مكة المكرمة. سيول خير ونعم، اللهم لك الحمد والشكر. ما شاء الله تبارك الله. هذه بداية السير الآن بين الحوائل، ما شاء الله تبارك.
Taif, located in the Mecca province, is known for its mild climate compared to other desert cities. Its rose gardens, fruit orchards, and terraced farms rely on seasonal rains and stored groundwater. But the recent storm delivered more rain in days than the city typically receives in months. Roads have turned into rivers, vehicles have been swept away, and entire neighborhoods are submerged.
Ya Rab maafi, Ya Rab maafi, maafi, maafi. Ya Rab maafi. Ya Rab maafi. Shafi Ya Rab. Ya Rab.
ما شاء الله تبارك الله. سيول وادي دفاق جنوب مكة الآن. يا ما شاء الله تبارك الله.
The region's infrastructure is built for drought, not floods. Storm drains are minimal, and roads often cross dry wadis, riverbeds that can quickly fill with fast-moving water during storms. The soil, hardened by long periods without rain, does not absorb water easily, causing runoff to surge through populated areas. This is not the first time Saudi Arabia has faced such an event. In 2009 and 2010, Mecca experienced destructive floods following intense rainfall. Like Taif's situation, those floods revealed the vulnerability of desert cities to sudden storms. But this event is part of a wider pattern of extreme weather across the globe. Similar events are being recorded in many regions. In Yunnan Province, China, 254 millimeters of rain fell in just 24 hours, triggering landslides and leaving people missing. In the United States, floods are occurring more often in cities like Boston and Houston. Climate scientists, including Dr. Marvel, confirm that these events are increasingly linked to human-driven climate change. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change's 6th Assessment Report, released in 2021, states that warmer air holds more moisture, leading to heavier rainfall events. It also warns that global warming increases the frequency and severity of extreme weather, including floods. The report calls for both mitigation, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and adaptation, such as redesigning infrastructure to handle new climate realities.
ما شاء الله تبارك الله. مساء الخير. هذا سنون، هذا شام في شمال مكة المكرمة. ما شاء الله ما شاء الله.
سيول الطائف اليوم السبت.
As Taif begins recovery efforts, the priority is restoring essential services, repairing roads, clearing debris, and ensuring access to clean water. Authorities and engineers are also considering long-term changes, such as expanding drainage networks, reinforcing roads that cross flood-prone areas, and improving early warning systems.
وادي بيشة من عند الكوبري حق قرية الرس ورا شركة اسمنت.
ما شاء الله تبارك الله.
سيل.
The Taif floods highlight a critical reality. No location is immune to extreme weather. Desert regions, once thought too dry for large-scale flooding, can be severely affected when heavy rains arrive. The challenge now is not just to rebuild what was damaged, but to prepare for similar events in the future. Across the world, climate change is altering long-established weather patterns. In many cases, storms are becoming more intense and unpredictable. The Taif floods are one more example of the urgent need for adaptive planning and decisive climate action. This event is a reminder that climate change impacts are not limited to coastal cities or high rainfall regions. Even in deserts, the risk is growing, and preparation is essential.